How to download and use DeepSeek AI on iOS devices. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the SkyDeck Studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can download, set up and use the DeepSeek AI directly on your iPhone, iPad or any other iOS device. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so now to use the DeepSeek AI on your iPhone, the very first thing that you can do, you can open up the App Store from your device and you just need to search for DeepSeek AI. You just need to search for DeepSeek, and once you have searched for it, you'll get to see the DeepSeek AI Assistant application. You just need to install the application first. Once the application gets installed, simply go ahead and tap on open, and you just need to agree with the terms and condition. And if you already have an account, you can log in right over here, but if you don't have an account, you can sign up with a new account. So I'm going to tap on sign up, and you just need to enter a valid email address and simply go ahead and enter a password for your account. And once you have created the password, you just need to tap on send in order to send a verification code through this email address. So I'm going to verify the captcha, and you just need to verify the code. So I'm just going to copy the code right from here, and I just need to get back to this one, and I'm going to paste the code. And simply go ahead and agree with the terms and condition and tap on sign up. And your account will be created. Now you can easily use the DeepSeek AI directly from your iOS device. And from the home page at the bottom here, you'll get to see two different options, the DeepSeek R1 and the source options. You can enable both of these options in order to deeply analyze any data that you want from the DeepSeek AI. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.